here we have the start of this installation with Mannington Adura rigid in this kitchen area. We needed to pick up the existing laminate floor, do some floor prep to make things nice and even, and starting the installation off of the cabinet size. Here we are going forward, laying the 1x2 tiles down the length of the kitchen and moving forward all the way through. So this begins the installation, and we continue through and laying all the rest of the tiles across in the other area. And here are some pictures of the finalized kitchen. Beautiful stone look, a 1x2 in this kitchen and little dinette area. So this completes this project. If you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see some additional flooring videos of all other different categories of carpet, vinyl, tile. And while you're there, if you could please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want, leave other comments. And thank you for watching.